need to bath. V. So much admin. Come back. Are you kidding me? Hey my loves, welcome back to another vlog. Well, today I'm going shopping. You guys are gonna come with. I'm so sorry I'm taking actually this intro kanjena, but it is what it is. We gotta do what we gotta do. So I'm gonna go there now. Okay, Londy's calling me. So yeah guys, that is the plan for today. I'm literally going shopping. Well, basically for home decor. Remember in my previous vlog I said that I'm gonna go and get a TV because literally I do not have a TV or stand, but I ordered the stand on Takealot. So literally I need like a carpet, we need table, and oh, I need frames for my canvases. Remember I got these canvases, so I need a frame for that. Let me take a picture of this. Okay, see you guys at the mall.
Forever. I made
Forever. He's forever in prison. Shame.
Where are we going actually? Can we discuss that first?
No ways. I don't think they have a generator.
Let's take this overboard now.
Okay, so we come back. Hi guys, so we come back from the mall. Yeah, there's a whole lot of things here. So we got a few things. I don't know where to start. From Pep Home we got this. A muffin tray. 12-piece muffin tray. It was roughly 65 rand. Another item from Pep Home is this rolling pin. This is the star of the show, guys. This is the star of the show. We got these 6-piece wine glass set. It was 149.99. It was 150. How cute! How cute are these glasses? Clink clink, bitch. I don't know why I took this. I took it because I like it. It's just a chopping board from Mr. Price Home. It was 60 rand. That's bean, guys. What's in here? This is just a dustbin for the bathroom. What are these? Oh. And then this thingamajiggy for the bathroom. These shot glasses, we basically got 4 of them. It's 8 rand each. And this cute, this was 80 rand. It actually went down. What we made? Oh, coffee mugs. Actually, I don't remember. I don't know. It doesn't say here. It's just written a coffee mug. But we got these at Checkers. 300 rand. Like 300 rand. It was 699. There's 3 prices. Firstly, it was 1.2, and then they put this red sticker on, and then they label it 699, which is 700. But how? It's a mix swipe, but it's 300. Imagine for this whole baby. Oh, you fucking lying. And then obviously I got this frame. It's a photo frame. Got that now in a million. It's a photo frame, and this was 269 basically. So this is what we got, guys. I'm still broke, man. It's really hard to cope. Nani Nasbonella, you don't need a microscope. I'm smart. This is my story. I blew it. Bye, guys. Okay, guys are probably gonna watch us pack and all of that shit, but for now, bye.
Several days later.
Hi my loves, welcome back to a new day. That's on pair. So the girl is here, but the stand is not here. How?
The next day.
Hi y'all, I look a little messy. I know. Please don't mind how messy I look, but I have a delivery coming here. It's a delivery basically. I ordered a mirror from Mr. Price Home. It's so huge. So the mirror is here. I'm not sure what it is, guys. I'm not sure. Maybe go talk to them. Oh, here they are. Hi. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. It's your delivery.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sure.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I
this is the baby. This is the girl. Got here just now. Oh, my underboob is out, but yeah, I'm kind of. Here is the baby. Here is the girl. As you can, you know, you get it. You get me. So this is what you can see. Basically, it's just like here. So messy. Oh my god.
Much later.
Hey y'all, so I just want to come here and just do this SHEIN haul thing, because a few items from SHEIN, but I didn't really show it to you because the lighting was, you know, it was a little bit taking, so I just thought I should just reshoot that part. And yeah, so yeah, basically I just thought that I should just reshoot that part. So basically, these are my SHEIN items that I received. I'm just gonna show it to you bit by bit. So this is the first item. This top is really cute, y'all. Really love it. Really die for it. And you guys should probably see it in the clothing haul section, a section that is half on this side of the screen. I'm probably on this side or this side, I'm not sure. So this is the top. It is open. It is a crop top, as you guys can see. So basically it has a collar. It has these buttons. So basically this is how you clip and then unclip these buttons. As you guys can see, I took it in a US size 12. That's the size that I took, which I think is a large. I'm not quite sure about that. The other item, okay, let's check Lily. A lot of people are wearing it. It's very trendy, it's very in, it's very warm. So I thought, why not? This is the shirt that I got. It's very stylish. You can just wear it as a normal casual outfit with a jean or some shorts or whatever you choose to wear it with. It's very stylish. I really love it and very warm. And yeah, I got this in a US size 12. It is an extra large. The next item, oh my gosh, I love this item so much. It's basically a long ass dress. It's brown, my usual color. It's brown, as you guys can see. It is very long. You guys will not be able to see it as I'm showing it to you right now, but you will see it in the try on section. Okay, so this one, just need to quickly check the size because I kind of forgot which size did I get it. Great, I got it in a large. It is in the US size 10, I think. Here is the size. It is a large. And then the last item that I got, basically I got 4 items and a few phone cases. This is the last item. It's just this cute dress. It's very warm. It has this fabric. I don't know what this fabric is, but then it is very warm and very short. So you guys will see in the try on section. And I got this one in a US size S, which is a large as well. So yeah guys, that is my haul, and let's hop on to the next one.
On my hair, then we are filming a bit of content, and then just the end of the day. That's pretty much where my
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you get.
I should just come here. I'm ending off the vlog right here, right now. Yeah, guys, so what's gonna happen now, because I'm just watching Netflix right now, and the series that I'm watching is The Marked Heart. So I just started it like one episode 2. Just came here to update you guys. So when it comes to, okay, as you guys saw, we went shopping, we went home decor shopping and whatever. I'm still gonna take you guys with, because I'm still gonna go. I'm not yet done with doing my home shopping. And hey, wait, let me pause this thing. I just finished, well, actually not finished, I just did a couple of things on this vlog. As you guys saw, we got this painting, we got the mirror, we got the artwork, and then not so long ago the TV just came. So the only thing that I'm waiting on right now is that I need to get a TV stand. I ordered it on Take-A-Lot. They're taking their own damn time to deliver. I don't know why. It's so unlike Take-A-Lot to do this, but it's whatever. What else? Oh, I need a table, like a coffee table, as well as a new mat. So I'm gonna get that soon. Also, please guys, recommend, where do you guys get those big ass plants? Like, but I don't want a real plant, I want an artificial plant, because I am not a plant mom, guys. I really am not. I'm not sure if you guys can notice, but I can't feel half of my face because I just got to the dentist for the second session and it was not cute. Okay, but anyway, yeah, I'm gonna update you guys on my next vlog when it comes to me furnishing this place. It's getting along quite good. I need to also get blockout curtains because child, it's winter now, and you know. But anyway, I just came here to say goodbye to the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please do stay tuned for the next part of the vlog. I don't know if there's going to be a part 2, part 3. I don't know. If you guys do want those parts, then you can just comment down below. I will make a plan, okay? But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe below for more videos. Do not forget to click that notification button to get notified each and every time your girl uploads a new video. But for me, do me, as always, as a junior driver, your girl is signing off, and I'm saying bye. Bye, guys.
Keep wasting my time.